Oh, it's kind of selling. Weekly low. Kind of selling right now. Actually, it's a good sell now. It's a continuation. Weekly low. It's a daily low. It's a daily high. But first focus on the weekly low. It's just next to that. And previous day low. Previous day low. Right. Yeah. So after sweeping this level, it's kind of going all the way up. Once it reaches the 4 hour H1 family up, it's good bearish candle. Again, once it reaches the discounted level, it's rebalancing to that level one more time to reach that fair value gap level one more time. Again, start to sell off. So just so far it's selling going on. Kind of sweep series of upwards candle closed below, leave this imbalance getting tapped. Start to sell. This is going to be the clean round. Okay, this is going to be our clean round liquidity. Super. This we are following the price sweep, sweep. So as of now, that's what happening right now. Move on to 4 hour. That would be my week daily. So this is my daily like on sweep. Just keep on going higher. 4 hour, following the price pushing lower. In this, never like there was a discount of 5 again, holding the price push all the way up to this imbalance again, but failed to clear out this high, went a lower high and started to sell off again. So this is the weekly low for sure, and this is a clean current swing, basically staying inside this swing. So if it broke, they can expect the price to reach this and this imbalance. I don't know. Yeah, no, for sure we can expect this target. We can expect this and this imbalance to fill it. It's a huge big imbalance not get filled. So it seems like clean selling like speed, structure shift, big displacement, speed the fair value gap, rebalancing the inefficiency, tap the breaker. Yeah, let's get tap the breaker, fair value gap, build up, induced, which means internal sweep, start to sell off again, and fail to clear out this low. So this should be our draw on liquidity for this price action, but it just swept this, rebalance to this inefficiency. Again, start to sell off. Again, start to sell off. It's still holding the price. So as of now, what should I do? I need to be bearish. Once the weekly low has been taken, we can look for some short-term buy, but I don't have any access to look for long-term buy. I have to wait for more structure to form. There is a lot of structures, right? Yeah, this every imbalance I've got to run through the liquidity pool, and it's a huge ton of liquidity is there. Breaker is there. The fair value gap that got ran through is there. Might acting as inverse. So we can expect that target should be the draw on liquidity should be this. If the market is continuing to bleed, I can expect the market to reach this area for sure, confidently speaking. This is the confident level. And if I'm not wrong, this is also a big imbalance. So I expect the fair value gap 50% to get filled. Price come all the way down, close to about the inversion. So this is the max level we can expect the price to come. This is a max target for this stuff. Okay, fine. So this is our daily. After this, all I need to do have a write a plan. Write a clean, solid plan, bro. Clean, solid plan. I don't want to see any deviation with the plan. If I follow the plan in the end of the day, that would be my win. If I follow the day at the end of the day, that would be my win. That's it. Every day I need to practice that mindset, practice that mechanical edge, mechanical trading. Okay, so daily low, previous day low, weekly low. Okay, fine. And if I move to weekly time frame, I don't see any fair value gaps. Sorry for that. Daily, yeah, we do have a big fair value gap in daily time frame. Yes, we have a great fair value gap. This is the current swing equilibrium level. So as of now, this H4 and H1 bullish fair value, sorry, bearish fair value gap completely get filled and holding the price. So see this place rebalance to this level completely filled. Fail to clear out this low, again goes up, completely get filled, respected, start to suddenly downside. Okay. So as of now, it's kind of it's here. It's been kind of equal highs, I guess. If I'm not, it's equal highs. Let's wait and see. This is a previous day low and weekly low, and below there's a bunch of liquidity. We can say bunch of liquidities. Up to this, it's gonna be the daily fair value gap, and in 4 hour, we have a lot of liquidities. Okay, what about 1 hour? 1 hour, we do have this big imbalances. Cap down, good push. This is gonna be our 1 hour. In 1 hour, to be honest, I didn't see that 4 hours yet last day, bro. That's one more important thing. I do notice that H1, but I didn't notice the H4. If I didn't notice that H4, I was super confident with that, right? Strong selling, it's going up, 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 build up, swept. It's kind of strong push to the downside. Previous day low. I think towards the previous day low. And it's kind of equal highs, if I'm not wrong. Not equal highs exactly. It's containing lower high. Okay, yesterday I watched one movie. Unfortunate thing. Plus other than that, really bullish for market. If you want we do have one inefficiency here, and one more inefficiency is this. But it seems like completely bearish. So far, it's kind of swept structure shift, swept structure shift, and rebalanced to this breaker, started selling downside. So its order flow is come bearish so far. So let's see what's going to happen. It's keep on continuing towards this and this levels, or it's just sweep and rebalancing. I don't know. I don't know exactly. I don't know exactly. But once weekly low has been swept, we can look for some sort of buy. That's what I know. That's what I know for sure. But and I'm not sure it's going to reach some levels, or it's just a pullback for this swing. I don't know. Or it's just going to break this. Please continue towards this areas. I don't know. Are the price heading towards this low? No, I don't know. A lot of answers right now, to be honest. Right now, price approaching the previous day low. I'm going to take weekly low and entering daily bullish fair value gap. That's it. That's what we have. What we have. And it's respecting the bearish fair value gaps. Respecting the H1 plus H4. It's a beautiful selling going on. It's failed to clear up the high, but did print a lower high, and it's kind of big, big flush to the downside. There is no pullback. That's kind of strong candles. So oh, we should be bearish unless or until any big higher time frame primary have get flipped to the upside. Structure shift, no. There is no pullback. Like yesterday, I don't get any pullbacks. Like yesterday, I didn't get any pullback. It's kind of might be yeah. It's clean though. It's clean. It's damn clear. I got that before I identified that. It's kind of engineering the liquidity in Asia session and cleared out the liquidity in London session. And the previous day, New York high has been getting protected. So the Asia high has been taken, Asia low has been taken, London low has been taken. It's keep on going lower. There is no pullback. Once it get broke, the tiny flip, structure shift, big displacement go all the way up towards the daily low. This is the last candle that's holding the price. So this is where we are now. Previously low and kind of Asia high, low taken, London low taken, and it's also get displaced. So we have to check and wait what's going to happen. It's kind of printing equal. It's not exact equal highs, but pretty much it's kind of equal highs, right? Let's wait. It's engineering the liquidity. It's going to take, but I don't know when and what. No good information from this guys. M15, it's holding the price. What about an M5? Still the same. Kind of accommodating here. Lost against that's holding the price. Go to examine. Oh, mhm.
நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்கு. காலையில எந்திரிச்சு கிளாஸ்கிட்டே மொத ஒரு வாட்டி போம்போது, இந்த வாட்டி தான். அ இந்த செமஸ்டர்ல தான். கிளாஸுக்கு போம்போது, காலைல எந்திரிச்சு லைவ் வந்து ஒரு அக்கவுண்ட் ப்ளோ பண்ணிட்டு போனேன். சிறப்பா இருந்திருக்குமே! ஐயோ! அன்னைக்கு எக்ஸாம். ம்ஹ்ம். போயிட்டு எப்போ வருவ? போயிட்டு ஜிம் போயிட்டு அப்படியே வந்துருவேன். ஓகே. ஓகே. ம். सही में
Okay, bro. Bye.
सावकाश मातारेंगे
That should be the goal for the day. That should be the goal for the day. Man. That should be the day. That's the goal for the day. That's the and yeah, if I'm not changing my stock, if I cut my losses, it loses. That's good one from one perspective. But in the long run, it's not going to help. And it's in the long run, I know my age is working, so I don't, I'm not going to do anything fishy. Just do some profit trading. Mm. எவ்வளவு கொடுத்துட்டியா வேணாம் தம்பிதானா அப்புறம் இந்த இருக்கு Rest of the class. So mess it up with my stop loss, but my protection and decision point was right. I don't have the discipline confidence to sit and watch, sit and watch, sit and yeah, that's constantly moving and closing my position. Vision will stop us. Sword. Stop us. Just weekly daily lower எடுத்திருக்கே தவிர அங்க இந்த ஃபேமிலி கேப்பும் கிடையாது. Yeah, I don't think so. We do have a family gap here. In what? In 4 hours? Got it right. Yes. We do have a family gap though. And we do have a daily family gap after this level. No. Kind of huge fish. Kind of huge fish. Big brain. Big dog. This big dog was kind of continuation of that. It's the daily dog. Giant conducts. None of inefficiencies remain unfilled. What's happening here? It's nowhere near to the daily dog. That's the case here. It's nowhere near to the daily dog. It stayed here. Or it stayed here. What about weekly? Sure. It took the weekly low. No. It took the weekly low, entering this imbalance, high weekly imbalance. But in daily, it's not near to the Monday's low. And it's inside this big bullish family. Okay. What about in Florida? It's inside the bearish family. But it's interesting, right? Yes. The discipline involves to sit tight and rather constantly moving and closing the positions. Stop lessons. Ended up turning my Hindu into human. So today plans. So GPUSD. Do you have any news for today? Let's check the economic news first. Mm, Forex factory, bro. So today we don't have any news, unfortunately. Tuesday, July 8th. We do have we do have some news in other pairs, but not GBP or Euro or USD thing. We don't have anything. Nothing. Okay. GBP USD. What I'm gonna do? What I'm gonna do? What's my ultimate rule? How I'm going to put rules for today? What's my rules? Standard risk. So 40 0.40%, 0.40 percentage risk in all my live accounts. In all my live accounts, my risk should be 0.40 percentage, which means 0.4, which means $40. So my take profit should be 1 is to 2. Just closed it. Is that right? Absolutely, it's right. So rules for the day like 0.40 risk in all live accounts, 0.75, which means So this should be 0.40 percentage. What's going on in my time frame? If it so make any sense to me? So 803 low lower limit will get to yes. Percentage. Pero una hora de después. So 0.75 to 1% in challenge phase, 0.40 in this can all this model. So entry should be two clean executions. Entry should be two clean executions. Two clean execution with all the confidence. Just listening order. How many execution already done? Just two, nothing more than that. So two cleaning solution with all the consequences. Yeah, it's more than enough to learn food. With the jet flip, we are really good to go. As of now, it's like flipping and it's printing the SMT. That makes me so happy. And I wanted to see some sort of bullish reaction, especially this imbalance to flip. SMT, I like to see it's getting flipped. It's awesome. If not, that's not good. 5 minutes, yeah, it's getting flipped. Good. So it is the early structure shift for us. Flip. So we can project using this. This should be our target. Let's move on to 15 minutes. Yeah. The thing which I'm expecting is my target. So long and long. Let's see. Super tight. Second protein starts with that in the question here. In 5 minutes, we get two flip, one and two. So I just want to keep my stop here. That would be our optimum level for me. Once it reaches this point, we should close the question. So my take profit should be, this should be the good take profit. One should do. Go. Let's wait and watch. All I wanted to see here is just wait and watch. Not, I don't need to do anything more. That's it. Hmm. Here it's getting flipped. I wanted to see here it also get flipped in M1. If M1 get flipped, we are good to go. Get flipped, get the structure shift, then we are fine. So this is my target in M5. What about M15? So in M15, our target should be this, at least. If it was long, one is two, so okay. So now touch my stop unless my model really demands me. And fourth one. So now touch my stop unless my model demands me. Okay. Just close. I can close. So the finest execution would be here. As soon as the price close above this level, here we can execute the positions here with the stop at the high. Uh, Once we identify this SMT, or else once we see this candle give the structure, we can execute the position. It's a bit late, but it's okay. Bit late, but it's still okay, right? You can execute the position here with the stop at this low. Still, it's kind of late, but it's okay. Nothing to worry about. Mhm. Nothing to worry much about. So never touch my SL. First rule is try routine executions, two clean executions. Third rule, never touch my SL unless my model really demands it. Uh, Fourth rule, we manage will be like a pro. Your management should be like a pro. So trade management should be like a pro. So once this comes possible, we don't like to see any place reach this point. So this is our max on that. So I just must stop after this. Not following that. It's kind of firstly clear or look. This is how we execute the position to be honest. Or if we don't, this is the confirmation candle. It should execute. But I'm execute at the next candle. Nothing too bad. Nothing bad. Last manipulation before the structure shift. This is the clean target to 2.5. Trade minor should be like a pro. So don't end of the day I need to be like either I follow my game plan or just get started. That's it. No. End of the day, my so trade management should be like a pro. And what else I can add in it? Once it forms some sort of M15 family, then it would be so awesome for us to do something like this. Okay. So one, two, three, four, fifth what? Emotion should be emotion the mark the emotion very ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருப்பான் இந்த மாதிரி பேஷண்டா ஒரு மார்க் அப்படி ப்ளே பண்ணுவாங்க அந்த மாதிரி பேஷண்டா நம்ம எமோஷனல் ஸ்டேட் ஸோ எமோஷன் ஷுட் பி மார்க் லைக் என்ன கொஞ்சம் பிட் லேட் இந்த கைண்ட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸிபிஷன் வந்திருக்கணும் இட்ஸ் ஒன்ஸ் இட் கெட் ஃபிளிப் ஆன இந்த இடத்துல என்ட்ரி அந்த இடத்துல என்ட்ரி கொஞ்சம் லேட் பட் ஸ்டில் இட்ஸ் ஓகே எக்ஸ்ட்ரா கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் ரைட் emotion should be marked like nothing creeps out. If today I take a stop, today I take a loss, that would be the good loss. That should be the good loss. I followed everything. I planned as per my plan. I worked clearly what should I do. Everything planned. As per my plan, everything is going on. Once it gets stopped out, once it reverses its direction, I'm good. I'm happy with that. I'm fine. I can speculate one more trade. If not, that's everything. All I wanted to see, what about him? This fellow. This fellow clearly flipped the Ferrari bro, and it's clearly flipped the Ferrari again. And the switch clearly flipped it. Let's move on to this fellow. Let's go to me. No, I don't get any. Okay, fine. It's kind of rejecting inside this Ferrari of the last form of Ferrari happening on 15. It's kind of getting rejected. I like to see candle close above and a big displacement candle to validate my model, validate my entry towards this point. If not, that's not something good for me to hold the rate. The last Ferrari happened 15 minutes. It's acting, holding the place. No, 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 still holding. That's not something that I like to see here. Okay. So this is the farewell gap. I don't like to see close below. So if the candle reaches this point, they are done. What kind of candle is this blue? What kind of candle is this? I don't understand that. Once this fellow getting flipped, I don't have any business, right? Once this fellow getting flipped, I don't have any business. I should have closed all my positions. That's what I need to do because this is the last family which I got. They got here. What the hell is that? It's kind of going up, 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 up. Then back down close candle. And there is the family here which we got inside this game. I don't think it's going to hurt. So pretty much it. That's it, bro. That's it. I closed my positions manually because that's my plan, right? I'm not deviating anything, and that's my plan. So I just closed it. This is this is something I don't like to see. What's that, bro? What is that? Big down close candle. Invalidate all my fair value gaps. So I don't know. Here's the same. What happening here? That M15 fair value gap getting respected. So let's wait and watch what's going to happen. Because in M15 it's clear, right? It's very clear, bro. It's still the selling going on. That is not reversal. Don't get anxious. Yes, I took my initial loss, very tiny loss. As per my plan, I worked and I managed my stock as good as possible. I'm not initially change anything. I'm not do any stupid thing in before. I'm just enter. I'm just wait and see the price to do something as per my intention. But as soon as I identify this lost fair value gap, which is due to respect, now getting respected again, I was not interested in holding the price. It's kind of clearly hold big down close candle, and so what I did here is just close after seeing this big down close candle. So my fair value gaps, my everything has been invalidated. So I just closed my position around this level. I'm not willing to hold my position right here. So so my initial stop was 40. I cut my loss with 50 percentage. So 50 percentage of the position was in loss, and 50 percentage of the position was saved. That's it. You can utilize that in another model, another good model. Okay. All you need to do is just move on to 15 minutes and watch what's going to happen. Mm, so this is the 15 minutes time frame candle clearly holding the price. Go all the way up, clean, respect, close below. And what here is happened? It's pretty much starting out. It's pretty much starting out. So let's wait for the price to clear out the weekly low. Then we can anticipate some sort of price action. Once it reaches this imbalance, what happened? Yes, room, room. I like to see a candle close above this value. That's gonna be the structure shift for me. That's gonna be the validation for me. This is not the validation. This is not only the validation. This is the pure invalidation. Pure respect for that 15 minutes recently found. And what happened? Big down. So the series of up close candle, big down close candle. Series of up close candle. Once it reaches the 50 percentage of the once it reaches the 15 minutes high value gap, big down close candle. And then flip and I flip, get flipped again. And it's kind of bleeding towards downside. Right. It's kind of boom, boom. It's going up. This is not the moment, bro. It's kind of very choppy candles. This is a clean candles. It's pretty much close to the weekly low. It's going to clear out the weekly low for sure. How the hell is not even touch the daily USD low, bro? That's what makes me feel bit what's going on right now. This is previously low. It's not even coming near to that. It's still right here. So according to daily, this is a clean fair value. It's approaching the weekly low on that side. So again, full of time. Leaving hold moving that the very great for it. I consider it as a sweep and that's not actually it's a clean candle. That's nothing wrong. It's pure bearish going on. Pure selling. Don't got up into any kind of trap. So inside this range I need to be completely bearish. If I'm bullish, that's the reason why I closed it very quickly. Yes, what I'm expecting to see, I didn't see that. First thing, I don't like that 15 minutes reaction. And one more thing, this, as you can clearly see, it's clearly holding the price, big displacement structure shift, big fair value gaps. So inside this range, I need to be completely bearish. I don't get any confirmation yet in higher time frame to go for buy. This is just a try. This is just a try. Like let's place out the USD low. So I just give it a try. I consider it as a structure shift plus flip and fair value. If it displays higher structure shift break and fair value gaps, we can look for something out of it. But it's nothing. It's kind of rejection again. Breakdown close candle, place out this low, and now something happening here. So weekly low going to be the target, bro. Weekly low is going to be the target. So in 1 minute it's kind of going up again. It is clear fair value gap. So let's wait and see what's happening inside this range. It's not even a valid structure in other types of flow. It's not even a valid structure. It seems like it's building something, but it's not. It's not. It's just a trap. So one more is what? Emotion should be like monk, like, okay, yes, I have a tool. I know how it works. So all I need to do is just wait for the setup to align, setup to form, some sort of liquidity sweep to happen. Then what? All I need to do is just focus on doing the right things. That's it. This kind of power kind of towards upside. What the hell is that? What the hell is that? I don't think it's gonna be worth. It's just yeah, emotion should be amount like 6 to 1 watt. 0.40 risk in all my live accounts, 0.75 in challenge fees. Mm, to clean executions with all the confluences. Never touch my SL unless my model really demands. Yes, today my model demands me to close my position and move my stop to this valid point. But to be honest, the model is not that good. I don't see the clear, perfect model. To be totally honest, it's just a temptation. It's just yeah. The daily low has been swept. One more thing, the weekly low is just aligned right next to that. So there's a good pullback, bro. And it's weekly low still remain open. Let's wait what's going to happen. If it gets flipped, if it'll leave this imbalance, if we're getting tapped, that's gonna be good. It's flipped, it leaves this imbalance and it's getting tapped. That's a good entry. Don't try these kind of entries, just speculate it. Speculate. This is what makes me feel very interesting here. Okay, so what I'm expecting here, what I'm expecting here is it's it's flipped, it's getting tapped. So I just want to enter my position right here. Stop loss will be here. My take profit would be the weekly low. Yeah, take profit would be the weekly low. I should do. So it's going to hit for sure. It's fucking bleeding, right? Big push, 5 minutes. Enter inside load up and hold inversion. Fired. getting raised respected. So entered, put the stop at the high, entered, put the stop at the high, not even this side, put the stop at this high, targeting what? Targeting a clean out to 150.5. Going to hit for sure. Because I'm not in the market, I'm not in the position. It's going to hit for sure. It's going to flip all the family gaps. It's going to be ding dongs. Big displacement, right? Big flip, family creation, respector, so enter, put the stop at the high, targeting what? Recent low out of the weekly low. 1 to 2.5. If I just incur $40 risk here, it's gonna be boom. Over. Game over, bro. The game is going to be fucking. I knew that. Weekly low hasn't been taken yet. It's just rebalanced to the last from the 5 minutes imbalance. I get on 1 minute flip and the creation of Avalia but getting tapped and respected. It's working. It's completely bleeding towards my target. It's going to hit my target for sure. If it's going to continue even further, I don't know. It's flip all the family gaps. It's clearly flip all the family gaps. But I don't have the confidence to execute my positions. That's where I missed my thing. I knew that this is what going to happen. So it's tabbed this imbalance family gap, it's lost family gap getting flipped. Leave this imbalance getting respected. So I agree with my position. Would stop at this candle high. And targeting what? Targeting is targeting really low. It's 1 to 2.5. 1 to 2 point like 1 to 3. Yeah, it's going to be 1 to 3. Oh shit. This it will not get it will not just sweep and go up. It will come and form some price action, right? So if I just enter my position, put the stop at the high, boom, I can move my stop to this point now. Once I get the displacement, once I get these value gaps, I can move my stop to break even, or I move my stop to this candle high. This candle high. What's my risk now? Very less. What the hell, bro? What the hell, I This is what I expect. This is what I expecting from the market. If you're anticipating something, it should be like that. But every day, every time you're not supposed to expect this kind of things. You should be highly selective. This point of time, I was like, I can execute the position here, so I can execute the position, and so all I wanted to see is the favor gap creation and getting respected. That's it. Nothing more than that, bro. It's fucking working. It's going to hit my take profit, bro, for sure. You can see, as you can see in front of your eyes, it's going to hit. It's the cleanest trade, but I didn't execute it. I should have executed it rather than speculating it. At this point of time, it gives 1 to 2. I'm break even. If I execute negotiation, I'm break even. So forget about those kind of things. It's silly things, silly, silly talk, conversations. Clean speculation, clean execution. You take profit. 1 to 2.5 already hit. Just wait for that 0.5% to hit. Just just one 2 3 ticks away, bro. Just 2 3 pips away. 2 pips away. It's going to hit my take profit for sure, bro. Holy shit. Clean entry. Good push. I still believe the target draw rate is going to be lower. So this is just a manipulation move. Once the price reaches the 5 minutes, I expect some sort of reaction. This is what I got. Last 5 gap. It's getting flipped here. It's getting flipped and this recently formed imbalance getting respected. So I expect some continuation. I don't like to see any place reach this point. I like to see the weekly low to take. Yep, it's taken. If I clearly put my take profit to this point, it's only to 2.5. Bang. It's to 2.5. If I put my standard risk here, then awesome, bro. Then awesome. You don't need to do anything. Then it's awesome. It's kind of come down, not sweep anything, go up. Once it fills the 50%, I guess it's gonna be the 50% level if I'm not wrong. Let's see. Let's see whether it's 50% or not. Yeah. See bro, where the price exactly gets stopped. It stopped exactly 50%. Then it's give the flip and it stayed below the 50% level and big displacement. So weekly low, previous day low has been taken. Give some give some fake reaction. You can see right. This is where it gives a real move. So big displacements, big candles. This is just a choppy. That is nothing from here. Big move, good pullback, big move again. If you just catch this move, it's 2.5. That's it. 2 to 2.5. You should do whatever it is. All you need to do, keep on risking the same thing. It's purely I understand that it's going to work. It's going to take this low. But it's okay, bro. It's okay. You are doing good. No need to worry. The speculation is right. The speculation is pretty right. So just because I speculate in this kind of entries, I don't want to enter. I don't want to enter. I don't want to put this kind of entries. All I wanted to do is move on to within 5 minutes and just see what's going to happen. Just delete this fellow. It's kind of clearly hold like go all the way up, stop exactly at 50%, flip the 5 gap, getting respected, stop at the high, targeting this low. It's worked. Really worked. I don't know how long it's gonna be, or it's going to reverse its direction to fill some sort of inefficiencies towards upside. And yeah, it's in M15. It's damn clear, bro. It's damn clear. We need to wait for more structure to form. It's kind of boom. If it closed above, we can expect some push towards upside. If it's not, it's kind of what sweep big downward candle. So the next candle is just some manipulation, some manipulation towards upside. Then the following once it tapped the 50%, big downward candle. Boom. Close out the big lead. Holy shit. Just delete this guy. Just we don't need this guy anymore. We don't want that. We go on to 1 hour. What's happening here? It's kind of going lower and lower. There is no pullback so far. It's a clean flush towards downside. Clean flush. I don't know where I can expect some sort of reversal. The only regret for me is I should have execute the trade. I should have execute that trade and put the stop on that high by fixing $40 in risk. It should be 1% up. Great, but I didn't. I don't have that confidence. I kind of thinking too much. In 1 minute, you don't have any time to think. You know, 15 minutes, good reaction. 5 minutes, fair value gap, and weekly low hasn't been taken. It's still the down is lower, and it's reached the 5 minutes imbalance, and it's kind of flipped exactly at the 50% level, and it's respected the fair value gap more than enough. Just click. Five lot, not 5 lot. Just click $50. Boom. In a matter of next 5 minutes, you up. Crazy, right? Crazy. The stop loss should be in place in all my entries. I don't want to execute entries today like that, like today. Um, to be honest, the first execution is not something that clear. It's sweep the daily low, but I knew for the fact that the weekly low also is uh just next to that. So it most probably come and sweep the weekly low as well. So I have to wait for that to happen before I before I start doing any kind of things. And it's completely bearish going on, bro. It's completely bearish. I don't know when it's going to reverse or how long it's going to expand. So I had to wait for good confirmation. I did get the 5 minutes, but it didn't go. It's not working because it's right next to the weekly low. So the weekly low yesterday hasn't been taken. Yesterday we got the same move like today. It's sweet, good reaction to the upsides, but today it's not. Even though it's give good reaction, it's not a good. It's not something good, bro. It's a strong reaction. This is a strong reaction, bro. How many five? A lot of inefficiencies here. So weekly low has been taken. Just move on to other time frame. So this is our 5 minute. So let's wait and see what's happening inside this 5 minute. This is the last form 5 minute. Just one simple one simple discretionary entry. So not a yeah, it's a discretionary. It's according to that current situation. I just agree with the question. I don't have the agree with the question. I'm just breaking, bro. I'm just breaking the rate. Yeah, done. I'm just breaking the rate. I'm up somehow. So it's that simple. Just keep the mindset clear. Just keep the head clear. Just focused. What's going on right now? What you can expect. Don't be a blinded person. Don't be that blinded person anymore. It's a weekly low. I need to see some structure. Yeah, it's a weekly low has been taken. So the major daily low has been taken. Price day low. Liquidity taken. This liquidity has been taken. So price going to continue or just reverse its direction to refill some imbalances here. Like that's what I need to see. I had to wait for a lot of things to align before I look for some sort of things. I don't want to caught up. It's kind of accumulating inside the range. We'll just wait and watch. That's what we can do. Clean entry. 50% level. Clean flip. Should enter the position. Once it flip, enter, put the stop at high, target this low. Boom. Activated. $50 risk. How much the take profit will be? 1:2.5, right? It's gonna be 150. In a span of 5 minutes, in a span of 5 minutes, you you calculate you will get $100. That's what trading is. That's at the same time you can also lose that $100 in that same time frame. In that day in this in that same sorry, in that same span of time, you can lose that money as well. It has either you can lose and you can profit. So you should be rational. You are not supposed to just because you have the access to press the button, it doesn't mean you can press the button all the time. All the time you see the entry, just press it. No, it's a purely discretionary. Yeah, I knew that it's going to work, but it's okay. You can journal it, but you don't have any access to enter those kind of positions, bro. This is where you started deviating your rules, started acting like an impulsive guy. Like you don't need that. Your model is working. Your model is working really, really good. All you need to be patient enough to sit and wait for that structure and the price action to form. Then you can utilize the entry and pyramid the entry and hold the entry as good as possible, as much as possible. This is a very scalping entry. I don't want that. I don't like that. But I can speculate that it will be helpful in the future, but I don't want that because this is kind of addiction. If you start doing this kind of things, you started gambling very quickly, and you just the probability of losing the sight of price, the losing the things which we need to focus, everything will be gone in very soon. So just mark the 5 to 9. That's our very key candle. So this is our 5 to 9 room. So 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock candle low has been taken now. Weekly low has been taken now. Is entering this tiny imbalance. So all I like to see some pullback towards this level, at least to the 50% level. Whatever it is, I just need to see some sort of pullback. I don't know how it's gonna go. It's kind of super bearish. It's kind of super bearish. It's come down, respected, come down, go still big flash break this level. It's going to continue towards this family gap bro, towards this level and this levels. So it's a clean market maker sell model is going on. So don't you can see like low high break, low rebalance to this level, sweep again, again rebalance to this level, again sell off, strong selling going on. So don't look for some sort of buy, just look for some sort of sell. Don't see anything in very much. It's at this point of time, Anushka 3 has been attacked, has been approached, right? We just hold the position. We just hold the position. Anushka 3, boom, just banged. So now what you can do, this is a stop loss, right? This is stop. So you can move a stop to this point and just speculate the price. What's going to happen inside this thing? If it's holding the price, pushing lower, it would be good. It would be great. It's still pushing downside. The market maker buy till it unless it creates a market maker buy model here, unless it's flip this fair value gap, it can be in the trade. It can hold the trade. But as per my wish, it is honest to three. Boom. It can be out from the market. You need to sit. It's kind of bleeding down, bro. It's kind of bleeding down. This is the daily low for me. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. It's kind of not that far. Boom, sell off, boom, sell off, boom, sell off. It's creating a fair gaps or the fair gaps kind of big selling going on. Go on surprise reach this point. Just set some alert. So, so don't show this again. This intended may not be okay. That's right. Mm. Mhm. Kind of selling. Yeah, we pretty much down for 46 dollars, bro. In our live account, we pretty much down $46. Yeah, sure. $46. Check. Stop. Collect this. Let's keep on going, bro. Keep on. It's kind of, well, let's break 3.1. It's kind of expanding all the way towards the downside. Hmm. 30 more minutes to go. It's kind of big flash to the downside. Hmm. So if you trade in the New York session, that would be great. Internal getting swept, structure shift, and then session. Clean targets like daily low and the weekly low has been a clean target since it's been what? When did accumulate this level? Holy fuck, bro. This is what entry should be. Stop at the high, targeting what? Clean target should be the previous day low. Weekly low. It's still bleeding. And it's a Asian range. I'm betting to the upside. Place of the Asian range high. The M15. So this is M15 just more than fact. This is Asian range. And the Asian range high has been and taken. And this high also one more time. Asian range high taken. Internal getting taken. What I can expect. I don't see any clean price action here. I don't see any high low formed. But I guess in 1 minute it's gonna be clear. It would be clear. What? The same stuff. It's engineering the liquidity. Low, high, sorry. Low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. It is kind of inside this level. It's kind of inside this level. Once this high has been taken, what the heck, bro? Can see. In 5 minutes, it's everything has been cleared. The ancient in high has been taken, and the central has been taken, which print the clear file here. Holding filter clear. Yeah, it's sweep. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. It's ancient in high taken. One more time, internal getting swept, and it's swept. It's created a lost in power, like low, high, low, high, low, high. And there's a first time some sort of low getting broken, displaced. What the hell? What the hell, bro? If you clearly read the price action, this would be the target for the day. This would be the target. You banked pretty much. You banked here, and you pretty much banked here. It's just kind of give some. You can close all the positions here. If you are a New York trader, what the fuck is that? In M5, you can clearly identify everything, and there's a lost manipulated fair value here. Clearly filled, go all the way up, clears out the high. Now what happened? Now it's clean, give the clean structure shift. So this is you can execute the question. Don't think too much. Just execute the question here. What happened? The fair value gap, high getting swept, fair value getting flipped, structure shift. Here on position, and it's not even tap this level. It's not even tap the breakers. If you expect something like I want to see the place tap the breaker. I want to see the place tap. The best entry is the tap. The best entry, the best of the best entry. If you're doing that, it can be in drawdown for some time, but once it start playing out, that's it. You don't need to panic anymore. It's clean sweep, clean structure shift, clean fair value flip. Once it entered, stop at this high. So what would be the stop loss, bro? If you entered the position right here, I guess you can enter the position as soon as it's sweep, as soon as it start to bleed, you can enter your position here, but still wait for something. It's swept one more time, start to bleed. You can execute the position here once you see this kind of big down close and it's very, very early. So I just want to put my entry. Once the family getting printed, I set my entry here. This is my entry. So stop loss would be just 5 pips though. Just a fucking damn five. Just put 6 pips instead. So my stop loss would be 6 pips. Clean structure shift. So it leave this imbalance. So I just set my limit order here. Or just exit my position here. Put the stop at this high. 6 pip stop loss. What is my target, bro? My target should be this TP1 and then what? Previous day low. Sorry, TP1 low hanging fruit. Low hanging fruit. What about Asia? Okay. TP1 low hanging fruit. Then Asia low. If you're following the proper price action, this should be the low hanging fruit, and this is the previous day low gonna be the target. You can scale some positions here, but this is the target. Once what happened after this? Last 15 minutes not even flipped. So clean price action, like clean weekly target. So if you just enter your position right here, what about the take profits, bro? It's it's unimaginable, right? That's the reason why you try to position yourself in a place where you can trade London session and the New York session. Just 4 executions per day. Just 4 damn executions per day. That's it. Keep the risk consistent. Just plan for 4 executions. In New York session, 2 executions. In London session, 2 executions. Done for the day. And the trade management should be like a fucking professional. You don't. I don't. It's like damn, bro. It's kind of bleeding. It's kind of bleeding towards downside. It's a big down. It's a big flush to the downside. It's a big flush to the downside. It's a current swing. It's a big flush to the downside. Weekly low has been taken the last 25 earlier weekdays. Yeah, in 5 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna be. It's kind of bleeding. Boom, boom, boom. Liquidity has been taken. Liquidity has been taken. It's not only taken but also fucking not sweep. It's expanding though. It's kind of stays some like kind of accumulating sometime here, spending sometime here, then start to expand its then start to expand lower. So if we identify this should be the fair value. I don't know how long it's going to be. It's just move on to higher time frame and see what's going to happen, what's happening right now. It's kind of very big bleed blue. It's the fair value up. Clearly hold the price pushing lower one more time. Strength, big strength. Boom. One, two, three. Different price entering this level. And what happened? Since I don't know, bro, where I expect some sort of reversal. This is where the price tap the breaker now. Around 1 hour, the price tap the breaker now. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. It's a kind of it's there is no sign for selling, bro. To be honest, there is no sign. Sorry, there is no sign for buying. So if you are going to buy anything here, you're going to get smoked. Going to get smoked for sure. It's a big selling going on. Big selling going on. I just missed that entry. The first entry, you can come late in the evening and see that price action in M1 where you entered the position. It's in the M5. It's not a good entry. It's not a good entry. The way anticipation is good. It's with the daily low and back at the head. I know one thing for sure. It's not sweep the weekly low. The weekly low is right next to that. If it sweep that stuff too and create some structure I can execute. That's what I expect. And recently found bullish value holding, bearish value holding in 15 minutes. That's not a good sign. It's a very big holding. So the entire price section was not that clean and good. It's not a strength, but opposite side on the data and 15, it's kind of bleeding towards downside. I understand that. Okay, fine. You have to me out. Okay, I can show you now why we need to come in the morning. You can clearly see, right? What is see here? Is there any fair value created here? Is there any displacement? Yeah, it's an SMT. This SMT, this structure shift, this flip, everything helped until it's reached the fair value gap of 15 and 15 fair value gap or this fair value gap. Once it reaches this point, it gives a real movement. It gives a real movement. What the hell, bro? This is where I anticipate the selling. This is where I anticipate the short opportunity. This is where I look for. What is that? This is what I expected, bro. This is what I expected. The fair value gap flipped, and it's also respecting this guy. So we can expect the position stop at the high. If it flipped, we can look for one more entry, and we can target this. What happened here? It's not printing any sort of market maker buy model for you to close the positions. It's kind of keep on selling to all the way towards the low. It's big swing for you. We also got the big swing. High, low, break, big swing. And can I tell you one thing, bro? That's the reason why I'm not entering this kind of trades. Yes, this is also making sense to me, bro. This is also start making sense to me. If you move to 1 minute, it's like, holy fuck, the last found 5 here, getting tap now get flipped. So we can execute the position here, put the stop at this low, like to see some continuation towards the unfilled 5 minutes. Yeah, seems good, looking good. Nothing to complain about. Good thing. That's the reason why I don't want to execute this kind of positions. All I wanted to do, I want to do what I'm confident with, what I'm comfortable with. I don't want to execute any kind of positions which doesn't make any sense to me. It makes sense though, but why should I? Why should I? Lost farewell gap that holding the basement got ran through. Let's leave this big imbalance. It's getting tapped and started buying. So we can expect the price to reach this level, this level for sure. same fucking stuff, right? Hmm. Just sit on our hands in 15 minutes, bro. If you don't find any entry, just close the laptop and just walk away. I want to see some structure, bro. Yeah, weekly low has been taken. I want to see some structure to do something. Or else, if I want to enter this kind of position, I should have entered here. Where I should have entered here. This is where I want to enter this kind of positions. I should have entered here. Yes, this is where the place start to bleed. Last form of area tapped, it flipped. So this is where I can expect enter. Or here I can enter. Next candle. It's kind of I just waiting. It's kind of if I put my limit order here, it's won't get that. It didn't get that. So if I so sleeve is between balance getting tapped. So as soon as the next candle break, then it comes low, enter, put the stop at the low. But it start to move higher and higher. I just move my stop loss to break even and let's see what's going to happen. That would be a great approach. This is very late, bro. You are late. Sorry for that. You was late. M5 didn't flip there. And the only failure which we have in M15 is this. So that's right. The only failure which we have right here is this. So that I don't have any failure, so I'd like to see the candle go higher and higher. You know, the weekly clearly gets swept, bro. The weekly low clearly gets swept. You all know the candle clearly print that for me. They not only flip but also leave these imbalances. It's kind of very late, bro. You're already late. It's already more 20 pips. What about your USD? Yeah, it's kind of going high. Let's wait and see. No worries. Let's just wait and see what's going to happen. First thing first, I don't see any structure yet. I don't find any structure yet. It's kind of just flip and we keep on going higher. Once it this guy didn't get flipped, I don't need to feel scared about. I don't find me falling. It's 9:55, bro. Just 9:55. It seems like I'm doing speculation for almost 5, 6, 7 hours. It's just 9:55. Still a lot of time. Yesterday I got my entry opportunity almost around 10:45. Yeah. So I did get my entry opportunity exactly. This is the current swing which we have, and this is extremely discounted fair value gap in 15 minutes, so 5 minutes. This is what we have right now, and every fair value gap it's kind of gone through. It's gone tap that level. That is time to break good. Sweet internet tapped in fair value gap. Big, I got a big fucking big. Yeah, that's what I scared about. That's what I scared about. Still, we do have some time. Let's wait a minute. What I'm telling here, what I'm stressing here, you don't need to stressed out, burned out this much. You don't need to keep on doing those kind of things. It's simple. It's stock market is simple. It's gonna be fun. It's kind of traps and puzzles that you need to solve a lot. All you need to do just wait patiently for your model to present. Then execute and put the stop at the right place. Then like today I did very good thing. I beautifully cut my losses. I don't I'm not complying myself. I'm closing my position without because I know my model and this is yes this is the model but not exactly but not perfectly. It's not a perfect model. A lot of invalidation is there. The weekly low it's just next to that. The second things the price action which formed in M15 now. Yeah, in M15 is not it's not something acceptable. I like to see the break. If it fits sweep, then there is no business for me. And it's kind of very weak formation of bias. But once the price reached that level, it's kind of flashing downside. So I was like, okay, fine, this is not going to work. It's better to close. It's better to close the lab. What's happening? MVP is still holding the price, but just wait and watch. I wanted to see this low to speed because this low is very important. The daily low. Right? The time is just 10 o'clock. We have 2 more hours to spend here. If we don't find any entry, yeah, that would be awesome. Just call it a day. And for what happened? It's working, bro. Once it tap the breaker, once it's fixed this liquidity, tap the M5, big down close candle, which leaves it fair value gap, getting tapped, start to sell off. Start to selling. So this is gonna be the obvious target, right? Oh, the handle close. It's closed right there. Weekly low break. Yeah. What about 15? The M15 recently found are clearly holding the price. There is no business for buyers. The M15 candle clearly hold the price. In M5, it's kind of once kind of good structure shift and decent pullback to the discounted level. Tap the breaker, tap the 5 alley gap, big down cross candle. Well, this fellow getting flipped. That's it. Don't move to any time frames. Just wait and watch what's happening here. Bang on Healthy pull for the whole swing is the healthy pullback. Speed the liquidity, tap the FM5, tap the breaker, clearly tap the breaker. Once you tap the breaker, what happened? Big down close candle, like big down close candle, which leaves a clear displacement, but plus 5 value gap getting tapped, start to displace lower, heading towards this low. There is no business for you yet. Wait. Just wait and watch. Just wait. Just wait in 5 minutes. And here, if it's with the weekly daily low, that's what I want. If we don't take any entry hereafter, that will be good. But still wait for 10 to 11:30 till 11:30. Just you can wait. Depends any model. But I'm thinking about buying. If I'm just shorting here, if I'm just shorting here, 8-7. If I'm just shorting here, if I just set my limit order here, put the stop at the high, still it works. But forget that. Forget that. We don't want that. Forget it.
Sorry, bro.
சொல்லியா ஈவினிங் தான் ஈவினிங் தான் இருக்கு டெம்பரேச்சர் கம்மியாக சொல்லுவாங்க
எவ்வளவு போட்டிருக்கு? 25 டெம்பரேச்சர்.
20 வெளியில நல்லா தான் இருக்கு இங்க எப்படி இருக்கு
பஸ் ஒன்று விட்டுட்டோம்னா கிடைக்கல. சரி, நான் போறேன். புரியல. ஒரே காலேஜ் ரெண்டு வச்சிருக்கியா? சென்டர் வச்சிருக்கியா? இல்லடா.
பார்க்க வச்ச
அவர் காலைல காலேஜ் போயிட்டாரா?
ఎవరు
சரிண்ணா.
போயிட்டார் பார்த்த மாதிரி தான் if I exit any position, if I close any position right there, that would be the awesome thing I can do. Once you tap, what happened? Big displacement. Big down close candle, which leave this imbalance, getting tapped, enter, put the stop with the high, targeting the slow. It's kind of gambling. Because if you start doing this kind of things, you're going to get smoked every day, every entries. Because it's happening. Because the market is bearish. There is no point for you to go for buy. You don't get anything out of it still. Still, it's a pure selling going on. It's completely selling going on right here. In place just inside. Is it just coming lower and lower and lower and lower? So it's kind of played out through liquidities. The weekly low daily has been taken. It's kind of bleeding still. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Just draw this line. This is gonna be our fair value caps in H4. Do we have anything in 1 hour? Yeah, we also have 1 hour fair value caps right here. And with this breaker, and this is the, yeah, that would be great. This is the last in this whole swing. This is the last fair value cap. Holy fuck! This is so. If you take this swing, this is the last fair value cap. So this will help to act as inverse. Just wanted to let you know, guys, that today we only have a quiz 2 in Priyanka Mega class, not any lectures, and she'll open quiz at 6 p.m. till 8 p.m. And as you don't need to join any class for that, just complete the quiz and then you'll be done. Yeah, it's good. In 1 hour we do have a five gap here. Besides that, we only have the five gaps here. Every five gaps from Barry's perspective, Barry's side calling the last five gap. Clean hold the base, pushing lower. One more time, go all the way up. The five gap holding, it's getting tapped here. It's stay below. Good, good, good sell off towards the downside. It's keep on going lower and lower and lower and lower. It's pretty much go and take the daily low for sure. Let's wait and see in 5 minutes. It's going to take just park this daily level. Boom. And just move on to this guy. Let's wait and watch. For the whole swing, we can look for some sort of pullback. That's what I'm looking for. If you move on to 1 hour, it's a clean sell. So if you print any sort of model, we can look for some sort of pullback potentially towards this point. That's it. Have fun, shall boom. But we have to wait for that. We have to wait for that. Again, creating failures for the failures, bro. In buyers, I think about it. It's there is no buying price action in 5 minutes. Is there anything for me to go for buy? Is it looks sexy for me to go for buy? Think about it. This is the displacement. This is the displacement. This is the fair value gaps. What happening here? It's just kind of engineering. It's kind of printing the leg and come on, engineer the liquidity, sweep, flip. Yeah, it's everything's aligned. Structure shift is aligned, but I didn't. But it's lacking displacement. It's lacking displacement. That is no firewall gap. It's flipping two firewall gaps. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Accept that. But to be honest, there is no significant high low formed first thing first. This is the significant swing low. This is the significant swing low. This is the structure shift should happen. And I like to see some big displacement firewall gap creation. Nothing happened here. In M1, it's garbage. It's fucking garbage. In M15, it's clearly hold the price big flush towards the downside. And the thing is, it's not take the weekly low, it's rebalance to this imbalance. This is where I need to execute my position, put the stop at high. This is what I should do, at least with that internal confirmation, but I didn't do that. If I did that, it would be the greatest thing I can ever do. Catch that continuation. It's a big continuation, but that is nothing here for me to afraid about. In 5 minutes, what I expect? Nothing. It's keep on selling. It's keep on selling. I can wait until any kind of 1 minute imbalance getting flipped. Once it gets flipped, I'm done. I can close my position. Until then, I can ride. I can win the ride. And what happened? This is the breaker. This is the breaker 5 here, and this is the liquidity. Once it's swept, big down close candle. Boom, 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 boom. It's not only what's the reaction once you tap the breaker, the sweep. In 1 minute, we got a big displacement with fair value gap. And in 5 minutes, what happened? Big down close candle, flip this tiny imbalance, flip this big imbalance, flipped, keep on going lower. It's a pure selling, bro, pure selling. You don't have anything validate to go for buy. Nothing. Sell it. Go and grab some food for me. I'm a bit hungry. I'm going to do it. It doesn't go anything. Okay. வெள்ளை கலர் ஹெட்ஃபோன் கொடுக்குறீங்களா ஒரு ஹாஃப் அன் ஹவருக்கு அத்தனை படிக்கு இருக்கு அதுவா தேங்க்ஸ் ப்ரோ ஹாஃப் அன் ஹவர் கொடுத்துருங்க So the system lost firewall idea which we got here. So it's not by பண்ண முடியல சபரி. புரியுதா? I need more structure to form. ஏன்னா இந்த clean firewall gaps create ஆயிட்டே இருக்கு. I didn't see any kind of weakness. I only see the strength of the bias. யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. Set of grain power 50% set of it's clean shooting agitation போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இது நான் எப்படி நான் பை போக முடியும்? 2 3 வருஷத்துல பையன் போறது. பையன் போறதுக்கெல்லாம் இங்க ரீசனே கிடையாது என்கிட்ட. I don't have any valid reason to go for buy. Only reason is it's big flesh. There is no healthy retracement, so we can look for some retracement, but when at what point? At a higher time frame, I should take that information from the higher time frame. If I just execute no position here to the top of the high, what would be my take profit growth? It's kind of pointing lower low, lower high, lower low. It's pretty close to the daily low, bro. Wait for that to happen. Once daily low has been taken, we have good. Strong bearish, strong bearish. எவ்வளவு பெரிய ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குங்க. விழுந்துகிட்டே இருக்காங்க அப்படி இது வரைக்கும் ஸ்டாப் ஆகல. கிட்டத்தட்ட 100 பிப்ஸ் விழுந்தோம். The fuck. சரியான down trend. I'm not even ready for to go for short, bro. That's the call. It's a big bearish leg. Big bearish leg. I'm not even ready for to go for short. I'm looking for buy. This is the very big problem with myself because it's already expanded to 100 pips. I'm not gonna look for any sort of short anymore. It's already expanded. All I need to do is look for some sort of reversal to catch the rebalance or the equilibrium point. We can target the equilibrium level. That's what I can do here. That's what I'm doing. At this point, it's expanding to a certain extent. So I don't know it's going to flip its direction here or here. So that's the reason why I can't go for buy here. That's the reason why I can't go for buy. But it's kind of super strong. It's kind of super strong. Lost, bro. What's going on? Delhi law has been taken. This is the spam area which we got here. So let's anticipate something. Big flash. So Delhi law has been taken. I don't think I can look I can get some entry goods. Doesn't have any FVGs. Mm. I can promise it made some sense. Beautiful, bro. Fantastic. Just small this level. Sample grow by last entry for the don't hesitate to enter. Sorry, what it is. Quick, 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 bro. Quick. Still 2.5. Let's. Okay. So currently we got a structure shift, clean structure shift. So we entered a great positions so far. Uh, let's wait and see. In this fellow, it's kind of starting. It's a law getting swept. It's kind of breaking the structures, leaving the parallel gaps. So bias getting eventually. So this is the last form, the 5 minutes. So once it get flipped, we are super good to go. But I did get all the parallel gaps, displacement, everything. Sweep, structure should flip. We don't need to panic at all. So we also put some limit orders around this point. That would be a great thing. 1.33, 1.35354. So 1.35354. Modify by limit 1.35354. 1.35354. 1.35354. Fantastic. Study should big displacement flip. So 54. What's the stop losses should be this level. Give good breathing room. 1.352. 1.35263. 1.35263. 1.35263. Boom. It's going higher and higher, bro. 1.35263. 1.35263. Boom. Modified. 1.35263. 1.35263. 1.35263. Boom. Enter. And one pyramiding position add பண்ணிவிடுவோம் new order should be 0.3 and which point here exactly at this point 1.3533 1.35359 1.35359 1.35359 1.353 1.35359 boom 1.35359 stop should be what stop should be here 1.35265 1.352 1.35265. 3535835 Okay. Boom. Entered. So $62 up almost. Let's move on to other time frame, bro. So is it good to close some profits or and just wait for that? I guess I just locked this profit right now. Close my positions. So something bad, right? Maybe dollars up. Close this, come back to break even now. So we are now break even 10,022. Beautiful, bro. Because it has a lot of things to happen. We can still expect the price to, if it comes, it comes. If it's not, it's not. That's fine. Because it has a lot of things to happen right now. So just wait and watch. Yeah, coming back to break even point. That's good. And here again up some good profits. Still it's running. Still it's running though. So kind of good reaction towards upside, but I didn't get a proper structure formed. It's kind of only in 1 minute. So just close below this range. It's okay. Close middle, close with middle part to have. That's it. So we got a big 5 value gap which we got in 5 minutes, right? Let's wait what will happen inside this stage. So is it good to hold the position or just 15? We come to break even. That's the best thing you did today. Second thing, you recover back the losses that you made so far. Like pretty much, it's not a big profits, but still it's a good profit. But still it's a good profit. You know what I mean? I'm telling you this, just delete the limit order. Just wait for some reaction to happen. If you get the reaction, if you get the good reaction, like the market make a burn down again, you can go for an entry. Otherwise, just call it again. Just don't get greedy. Or you are having good profits. You are pretty close to 2%. You are pretty close to 2%. So you don't need to do anything, bro. If it is a missing entry, if it is missed, if it is not, if you are not closed, fuck it. Just fuck it. You did beautiful. Yeah, I closed it a bit early as per the ICT world. If you are in a drawdown, if you are not if you lost something in your initial trades and you have the chance to recover it 50%, I'm recovered it almost completely recovered it. Fuck he said purely in that layman language, not a layman like in a very raw language, like just fuck the age, fuck the model, fuck the take profits, fuck everything. Once you recover the 50% of your initial loss, that's it. Just call it a day. Come tomorrow and come up with big lot. So again, I can trade with what? So again, I can trade with higher positions. Yeah. So again, I can trade with $40 risk, $50 risk, my plan risk. So I don't need to feel afraid about anything since I'm up good percentage, right? That's it. The thing is, that in 5 minutes, it's not super clear, bro. That's the problem. It's kind of 1 minute it's super clear, but in 5 minutes it's not something I don't like it. It's flipped the family gap right now. Low high 9:30, 10:20. 9:30, 10:20 or something. Just wait patiently, bro. Just wait patiently, bro. So in 15 minutes, it's kind of flipped the family gap, clearly flipped the family gap. So if I agree with my position right here, put the stop at this family gap low. Can't even imagine the stop loss. Let's wait and see. If I want to enter, I'm here to tell one thing, bro. If I want to enter, if it's sweep this low, give any sort of entry, I can enter. I can enter it here as well. I can put my stop at this point. But to be honest, totally honest with you, I don't want to do that. Structure shift, big displacement, command tab. So what's the risk if I execute my positions here? So what's my risk? So this is my stop is gonna be something. It doesn't feel so bad, but why the hell, bro? Why the hell I need to do that? Yeah, it's coming on kind of not even tap the brake. It's keep on going higher. Right now, I don't like it, like the way it is going. And it's 2 to 2.5 clearly hit. The 2 to 2.5 clearly got hit. The entry is right here, the entry around here, and it's 2 to 2.5. I just hit. All I need to do is just wait for that pull back to come. If look, 2 to 2.5 clearly got hit. Bro, nothing more, bro. I just close my positions here. This is I close my position at 1 is to 1 position. One position at this point. Not very big deal. I give some pullback right now. If it's free, if it's entering this zone, if it print any sort of model, we can execute anticipate the buy. Otherwise, chill out the day, chill out the day, chill out the day, chill out the day. I like to see the. I don't like to see any base close below this. If the price fairly close below this, I like to see any sort of market might buy model. I can execute stop at the slow again. I can expect the continuation. That's the plan. That's my plan. My whole plan. Still, what happening here is the recently formed M15 pulling the price. Okay, level tension. It doesn't give any pullback, but it did take the 2 to 2.5 inch that level, that liquidity. If I just target that, but I just closed my position very early. Not very early. Instead of that peak, I closed it in this peak.
I quote that. Believe in Jesus and you will go to heaven. Have a nice day. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus changed my life. Yeah. Have a nice day, Conrad. Hi, Conrad. Believe in Jesus and you will go to heaven. Have a nice day. Yeah. Jesus. Well, your family has money. Shredded. You just how could you have that much money? Because I used to talk about the currency. So when I first saw you, I thought you looked rich. So a little bit. Champion, we get a lot of money. No. But you got money like a champ for 10 years. You got John Jones money. Conor McGregor is saying that he's the number one pound fighter on the planet. Settle the debate for us. Sport. Calm down, you Irish. Calm down. I'll wait till you're done. Like I was saying, I think Connor's great for the sport. He's a magnificent competitor. Before I was pound number one, I used to look at Anderson Silva and Dorsey Pierre, and I think to myself, one day that's going to be me. I would tell myself, why I could be that. So he definitely has the right attitude. It's the way that he should look at pound number one. But at the end of the day, that'll always just be an opinion thing. To my defense, I've won 9 world titles. So Conor McGregor is saying that he's the number one pound for pound fighter on the planet. Settle the debate for us. Relinquish that time.
The thing is, it's sweep the daily low, view good push, good reaction, and it's still not flip the final gap, the respect of. So let's see what's going to happen. In 5 minutes, it's going to come and squeeze the low. Let's wait. I need more things for us. It doesn't enough for me. Lost in there is no structure shift, there is no structure, nothing else. So for me, there is no structure shift, nothing. It's kind of big displacement. Go all the way up towards this breaker, towards this valley gap, and started expecting here. I like to see something inside this way, not to go far by. I wish no. Let's wait. I don't have any ideology to go for my array. I also deleted my limit orders. I set my limit orders here, but before it's hit my limit order, it's my take profit. This is my take profit 2 to 2.5. It's hit my 11. So I didn't hold my position to that point. That's the reason for that. If it just tap the breaker, fill this fair gap, I was super confident and comfortable holding the position. Since it didn't, I wasn't hold the position. That's the case. So let's wait. If we get any kind of so far this whole swing, so this is gonna be the 50% level. So this is where the price now on that. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. Don't talk then. And just see something here. Is there anything good for me to look for? No, okay, it's falling. 10:30 it's went low, and 10:56 it's went higher low. 10:38 it's went a low. It's printing a lower low. It's an SMT thing. It's an SMT thing. But I didn't get the sweep yet. Yeah, it's sweep. Try to convince me, bro. Otherwise, I don't like to trade this kind of things. Now it's sweep. Now it's getting interesting now. At 10:30, 10:56, 11. Right, bro. Patience is the only thing which will help you in the long run. If you're not patient, then this is not for you. Mhm. So it's sweep the liquidity. If it gives a structure plus value gap, we can enter, anticipate the price to go higher. But still, I'm not convinced, right? Yeah, it's engineer liquidity at the equilibrium level. It's makes some sense to me, to be honest. But the only thing which made me feel very bad is this imbalance, bro. This is kind of sucks. It's a key breaker and this imbalance not get tapped. That's kind of not feeling good. And I'm not sure it's going to flip or not. Yeah, it's kind of good push. It's not a hold. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. I don't know. I don't have a damn plan. Well, today. And in M5, it printed this fair value gap. Need to be cautious about the M5 balance. So to swap structure shift to create this imbalance. So boom. I wanted to see whether it is a manipulation lick or the authentic lick. If it is a manipulation lick, it won't flip the 5 LE. வெயிட் பண்ண சாரி அது என்ன சாரி ஆயிட போகுது விளையாட்டு வேலையை பேசுங்க போனா போயிட்டு போகுது liquidity sweep structure shift 5 LE created so mm. So final entry for the day entered. Move on to this time frame. So it's kind of 10 pips to $50 risk. It is gonna be the optimal stop loss point. Reason behind that internal getting swept, structure shift. I should have entered here. I just wait for some reaction. Good reaction entered. So what I can anticipate last manipulation, structure shift. So this is gonna be the target, or at least this is going to be the target. Let's wait and see. I guess I should enter my position right here. I guess I should enter my position like clean in like inside the 5 minutes, clean internal getting swept, clean structure shift. I should enter my position here. As I just need to set my limit orders here. To just talk about this law, that would be the greatest thing I can do, but I didn't do that. I was a bit afraid. Let's wait and watch. So in 5 minutes, if it's working too so good, so the 5 minutes fair value gap getting flipped, so we don't need to panic at all. So I don't like to see any price um reach this point. So this is my what? This is my long. So this is how I execute my long. I should execute it here. That's the very big mistake right now. Once I identify the structure shift, I should do execute on my position here. That's first mistake. Once I identified this pullback, I should have executed on my position. Once it tapped, I should have executed that, but I didn't. I was very patiently executed after seeing all the reactions. So this is what I expect. This is 1:1. I expect just 1:2. And my stop loss should be I just move my stop to current high time frame perspective. Like so I like to keep my stop here. I like to keep my stop here since it's flipped this level here, but I don't like to see any place close below this range. What I can expect from here is some higher prices, at least to this liquidity pool, at least to this. It's a good push, speed, good expansion mode. Just wait and see. Once it reach this, okay, fine, bro. You have to scale some profits here. You have to scale some profits here. It's not a funny business. You have to scale some profits here. The only bad thing that I did is I should have executed my once it gets up, executed my position. If not, once I get the structure ship, everything is set right. I should have executed my position, but I didn't. That's where I did all the mistakes. Let's watch. What about 15 minutes like this? Does it make any sense? No, 15 minutes perspective. You can't really hold the price because it's a clean flip. It's clean hold பண்ணிருக்கு. Okay. Sweep ஆயிடுச்சு. So you can expect the price to reach what? Just about okay. 15 minutes perspective, I don't see any fair value gaps here, so I can confidently hold my position. So yeah, this is my target. This is my target range. Yeah, bro, it's clean. Just reduce the risk as good as possible. Hold the position all the way up to this point. Once it has been hit, you're good to go. You're just good to go. Just stay on in 15 minutes. Just stay on in 15 minutes. Very probably only minute you can, bit late, but still it's okay. So, so you are good, bro. Once if this is a farewell again, you are super good. I don't like to say any place close about this game. You can be break even now. The thing which sucks me very badly is even though I identified everything on it, even though I identified every internal space action on it, structure shift, so I should do exit my question here, put stop at the load. That would be the greatest thing I can ever do. Otherwise, I should have put exit my position here. That would be also one of the finest decision I can do. So what we can do here, just wait for the 15 minutes. It's super strong growth. Good push, good pullback, strong move. So I expect the price to flip the fair value gap to reach this high. If it reaches this high, we are super good. Just hold the price. Otherwise, just be break when that it. What about that fellow? I guess that fellow, bro. Yeah, we are pretty close to that. Okay. Yes, very trying to get through that also. Just feel not comfortable. Stay in for 10 minutes. I guess it's good to promise some profits, but I can maybe for neutral now, but I don't think so. More than enough, no. Just wait. Make $94 today. More than enough, buddy. just close the laptops and just walked away because you are eligible to request a payout. So you don't need to do any funny business. The only thing which I know is it should be here, but I after the confirmation after that, inside I see this enter good push. So what about this fella? So then this fellow, what's going on for this guy? So this fellow is almost so you don't have any reasons to close right. It's 5 minutes. It's clearly 25 minutes, so we can break even the trade and like we look to see we look forward to see the price to go higher. So we don't need to panic. So this is our target. So just set the target and set the take profit and walk away. 1.35959 modify 1.35959 1.35959. Okay, and stop loss gonna be break even 1.355 1.355 okay. So so 1.35528 break even 35959. Okay. So now I'm break even. So I just if it hit this position, I can take some good profits like since it flip all the family gaps right. It's flipped this family gap. It's come a rebalance sweep the internal good push. So expecting the push to all the way up towards this family gap. This range, if it hit this point, that would be awesome. If not, I'm ended up break even. That's fine. I don't want to play this game again and again. Now we can check whether we are eligible for a payout or not. I think we are eligible for a payout since we are up pretty good profits. Mm-hmm. Holy shit, was silly. Hello, I'm with buy for Gbpusd waiting for a market structure shift. Even I have entered. Great, bro. Great, bro. Are you still there, buddy? Dashboard. So yeah, we are eligible for requesting a payout eventually. Request rise. Payout not required. Amount is lower than the platform minimum limit. The thing is, I need to request $250 minimum. That's the thing. That's the cash fare that they have. So current best day 102, 50% is 116. That's good. We are not exceed that point. And minimum payout is 1.5 percentage. We are good. The payout share is 209. But you have to cross at least $250 to get a payout. That's the catch here. So today we are up pretty much 1.2 percentage. That's a nice trade. Nice day. Okay, so what about that fellow? I knew that. If I want to withdraw in another platform, that would be great. For instance, if we go for a withdraw using Plane, holy shit. So I request a payout from them through Plane, but I have to open it up. I have to open it up. I don't know how to open it up. Otherwise, I have to mail them. Like, can you please do me a favor? Like, I don't have a Plane platform like that. Something. Payout amount 209. So I requested a payout. Payout has been recorded using Plane. But the thing is, I don't have that account. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. I knew that dashboard updated. I knew that for sure I need to make at least $250. My payout amount should exceed $250 and above in order to go for a payout. Payout platform, payout, payout platform, pending payout, payout platform plain, profit split, 09. We can check it out, bro. We can check it out. How it is. How we can just check here what's going on right now. Does it make any sense to me in this time frame? Let's see if it hold, it hold. It's not, it's not. But it's a clean entry, bro. On center getting swept, once I give the structure shift with this favor, yep, I should enter my position here, put a stop at this low. That's what I need to do. Otherwise, I should set my limit order here, put a stop at this low. Targeting the opposite. This should be the target. This should be the target. This is where I need to close my positions. And leave the runners while expecting this 5 minutes is going to flip or hold. I don't know. So I can expect something out of it. So that's it. That's it for the day. We can. All I need to do, I don't have the Plane account, so I have to check it out how I can. Because in Plane, I can withdraw the amount, but in Rise, I don't have that thing to do. So what I can do here, I just try to open up the Plane account if I can, if I could, so I can withdraw a payout of my 209, my first payout. If not, I just wanna mail them like I'm just requesting payout using Plane, but I couldn't make it up, so I wanna switch the platform to plan to Plane to Rise, so I can withdraw the payout then. So that's it. Have fun for the day. Chill. So I can also expect to get a payout in my funded pro. It's not a big payout, bro. It's very small, but it's my first payout, so it's gonna be very, very good. Feeling good. Feeling great. Boom. And up.